Hi students, today we are going to do the third part for the classified advertisements. We already finished with 8 categories in the part 1 and part 2. Just a quick recap of what we have done already, the categories that we have covered. In the first part we had situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, to let. In the second part we had business, educational, we had missing persons and pets and livestock. So today we are going to do the third part, which has the last 4 categories which are there in your syllabus. So in total you have about 12 categories. So today what we are going to do is tours and travels, lost and found, matrimonial and appeal. So we'll start with tours and travels. Tours and travels, children, this is the classified category. It also can be what we call the display advertisements, the box advertisements, or the commercial advertisements. That we will do later. So this is for the classified advertisements. We begin with package available. This is how we can begin, or you can just begin with available also, and it has to be in capitals, because the first word always comes in capitals. Then we name the travel agency which is giving up the advertisement. That name we have to give. The destination and duration. The destination as in where all the travel agency can book for you, that destination, and the duration, like 2 days, 3 nights, 4 days, 5 nights, like that. You have to mention clearly the duration. Then the price and special discounts that can be offered, we have to mention that, it is mandatory. Then of course contact address and phone number. This is what is required for each and every classified advertisement category that we have covered. So this is tours and travels. Let's look at the sample. So it says tours and travels, that's the category. Attractive. So package available or attractive package, this has to be in capital. It's not really given in capitals, but you should write it in capitals. Attractive package available for Mauritius, 3 nights, 4 days. See, it's written completely. You can also write in numbers. In fact, you should write in numbers because each word counts. So you write 3 as in the number, N as in night, /4 number, and D as in days. So 3N/4D. Breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included, rupees this per person. So you can write the symbol for rupee and this slash per person. You can write special discount for early birds, contact Rahul Kapoor, Venus Travels. The complete address is not given, but you must give the complete address as well. Okay, so let's move on to the next category. Next category is lost and found. So you start with lost and found. It has to come in capitals. Always keep in mind this lost and found, children, of course it is for things which are non-living, okay, not for pets and not for livestock, which is missing persons and pets, that I have already told you. So start with lost or found. Always keep in mind to write the name of the place, time and date where the item was lost or found. Write down the relevant particulars of the article lost and give its description. You need not furnish. See, I have written specifically need not furnish full details of the item that you have found, lest there should be fraud claimants. Suppose you found a wallet, do not mention all that is there in the wallet, the amount or something. You just say that it's a brown colored wallet that you have found, where did you find it, so that the person who comes as a claimant tells you exactly what is there in the wallet and takes it, so that the fraud claimants don't take it away. Then mention the correspondence address or the person to be contacted for the delivery of the article. Suppose I have found the wallet, so I should know where to give it, or the other person should know from how to take it. So either ways you have to mention. If there is any specific incentive, any reward to be given, mention it in the advertisement. The person who finds it will be rewarded with this you need to mention. So this is how you have to write the lost and found. Let's have a look at the sample. Lost and found, the category in capital. Again, the first word, please write in capital. Lost or found. My light black colored leather bag traveling on bus, and if it is found, you write found here. So this is how you're going to write. Where did you lose it? And this bus was going where, and New Delhi, what was the timing when you lost it? The bag contains important documents. Finder may please contact. You have to give the address where the person who has found it can give it to you. And similarly for found, you can write here, if you have found something, found this. Don't give the complete details of what was there inside the leather bag, the wallet, whatever you have found. Okay, moving on to the next category, matrimonial. See children, it is a very, very common category that you see in the classified advertisement, where you find you have written, you find written that is groom wanted, bride wanted. So this is a matrimonial category. I know nowadays children would think it is very funny. It is something like that Shaadi.com that you listen, you see the advertisements all over. So there's something of that sort. So it is something very, very uncommon or weird for the younger generation, but yes, of course, people do give it in the matrimonial classifieds. So you start with looking for an alliance, invited, required, wanted. See children, required and wanted, actually required also still okay. Wanted looks a little not too good, not too appropriate. So it's better to write looking for or alliance, invited. These kind of words you can write, and they have to come in capitals like mentioned here. Then you say age, weight, height, sex. You have to give the details because it's a matrimonial column. Caste, creed and religion, job qualification, place of posting, contact address, any other relevant specification that you can mention. If it is caste that you are specifying, say only Brahmins apply or only Punjabi, Khatris apply, something like that. Otherwise say caste no bar. But there is one thing that you have to keep in mind is the contact address, children. Nobody would like to give their contact address lest everybody would just, for the sake of it, for the fun of it, for the heck of it, they might just contact you. So what happens is you give a post box number which is given by the newspaper where you are putting up the classified advertisement. So they give you a box number. There all your mails will come, and all those mails will be delivered to you. So you just write the post box number, this. So this is how you write. Okay, now this is how we go for the sample. Groom wanted. Here children, instead of writing here, you have to write here it will be matrimonial. But if you have written groom wanted also, bride wanted, it is okay, it is not considered wrong. So alliance should be in capital. Invited for a tall, dark, handsome Punjabi non-Manglik boy, should be well settled, income in at least 6 figures for a slim, beautiful, mealy mouthed, considerate and homely girl. Her father retired from the Indian Army, mother a homemaker, no dowry, early marriage, caste no bar, you can write that. Interested matchmakers may contact the numbers given below. They have given the email ID and the phone numbers. It is their choice, it is their preference, but generally people don't give, they just give the post box number. Okay, so this is the matrimonial classified advertisement. See children, the categories that we are doing today are the most uncommon ones. Okay, so it is like according to from the examination point of view, the first 4 very important, the next 4 are not too important, and the last 4 are very, very uncommon. Generally you don't get it in the exams, but they are there in your syllabus, so you need to do it. Next is the category appeal. So you begin with appeal or help required. Appeal is when you give an appeal in the newspaper for something, whether it's an organ donation, whether it's money required for something else, some NGO for flood relief or for Prime Minister's Fund. Like these are the COVID times, so for the Prime Minister's Fund, it is an appeal that is made in the newspapers. So this is what appeal is. So you begin with appeal or help required, specify the nature of the appeal, for what your appeal is. give a brief discussion about the problem. If you know, if a person is involved and is looking for a donor, so you need to give a brief discussion about what the problem is. Let's say it's a dengue case and they need B positive donors, so that you need to mention critical condition, dengue case, wants B positive blood group, like that. Specify the help required. Of course, you have to specify whether it's the money you want, whether it's the organ you want, whether it's the blood donation or whatever. Provide the contact address and phone number. It's a must for all the classified advertisements. And next we'll see the sample. It says appeal, says donate generously. It's given in capitals. To save a life, earnestly appeal to people. Name is given, age is given, father of 2 small kids on his last leg, cannot afford 2 lakh for heart transplant. Some donors have contributed but amount is insufficient. Help contact immediately at the following address. This comes from the Fortis Hospital on behalf of the patient. So these kind of things you must have seen it on the net also. Moment you click some YouTube or something, these kind of ads keep coming. So these are appeal ads only, and this is for the classified columns in the newspaper. So this is these are the categories that we have in our syllabus. And this is what we are looking for in the 12 categories that are there in your syllabus. So the 4 categories, just a quick recap, children, just have a look. The categories that we have covered: tours and travels, lost and found, matrimonial and appeal. These are the 4 categories that we have covered today. Just a quick recap of all the 12 categories: situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, to let, business, educational, missing persons and pets, pets and livestock, tours and travels, lost and found, matrimonial, appeal. The 12 categories in your syllabus under the classified advertisements. Keep studying hard, children. Keep working hard. If you have any doubts, you're free to mail to me. And that's it for today. We'll be meeting soon with another video on writing skills. Thank you so much.